好, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Katrina and my job is to help you speak and read Mandarin Chinese with confidence and joy. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about how to make your Chinese words stick. Have you ever feel challenging to remember Chinese words and feel like you're always forgetting about new words and wishing there is a way to make your Chinese words stick and speed up the learning process? In today's lesson, we're going to review a very simple but very effective way to make your Chinese words stick. The answer is using Chinese compound words. So what exactly is Chinese compound words? As you know, in modern Chinese, the words of Mandarin Chinese are mainly consist of two Chinese characters, and each Chinese characters carries a meaning. For example, the Chinese word 电话, which means telephone. This consists of the word 电 and 话, which literally means electric spoken words. So you put them together, that means telephone. So by knowing the meaning of single character, use that single character to learn other compound word consists of that single character. You can easily remember different words of vocabulary. So by breaking up the compound word, for example, 电话 into parts, electric, spoken words, you can understand their meaning without memorizing them in isolation. Let's take a look at more examples with the character 电, electric. 电视, television, literally electric vision. 电脑, computer, literally electric brain. 电池, which means battery, but literally means electric pool. The next one is 电灯, that is light, but literally means electric light. We also have 电影, electric shadow, that means movie. 电梯, electric ladder, that means elevator. 电费, electric bill, that literally means electric fee. 电波, electric wave. 电扇, that is electric fan. See, now you easily learn 10 words of Mandarin Chinese with the character 电. Of course, you can use other common character in Chinese such as 水, water, in Mandarin and expand your vocabulary. Let's take a look at some examples with the character 水. For example, 水瓶, water bottle. 水壶, water kettle. 水流, water flow. 水池, water pool, meaning pond. 水库, water garage, that is reservoir. 水源, water source. 水平, literally means water level, but that means level, like your level of Mandarin Chinese. 水灾, water disaster, that is flood. 水管, water tube, which is water pipe. 水果, watery fruit, that is fruit. So by focusing a single Chinese character and the meaning and expand your vocabulary with its compound words, you will find you can more connect with the meaning and the words and remember the Chinese word more naturally and faster. And of course, if you want to put the words you have learned in practice, in action, you're always welcome to click the link down below and check out my Chinese Immersion Hub. It's a very friendly, safe, and joyful community where you can practice your Mandarin Chinese with me twice a week and students, friends around the world. We also have a very exclusive, supportive, warm Telegram group where you can connect with your classmates 24/7 around the world. Click the link down below and check out my Chinese Immersion Hub and start practicing Chinese with us and students around the world. 我们下次见，再见。